Sanibona, phinde nginibikelele nje namhlanje ngaleli thuba, ngalomzuzu, ngaleli hora. Sibonge nje ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini esasiphilisile, esasisindisile, esasihlengile ezintweni zonke because singabantu kumele hlezi si-understand ukuthi noma yini ingenzeka noma kunini. Noma ingamuphi umzuzu noma ikanjani nanoma ikephi nanoma ingayiphi futhi indlela, especially kuba indlela osuke ungacabanganga ngayo because thina bantu yazi I've seen something that is very common kithi sonke ukuthi ama expectations wethu ngezinto zonke ahlezi ebala ukuthi okay, I expect ukuthi usuku lami libe kanje, I expect ukuthi kuhambe kanje, I expect ukuthi isikhathi sibe kanje, I expect all the things ukuthi zenzeke ngendlela engicabange ngayo, engifisa ngayo, nengiplane ngayo. But we live in times lapho khona nothing and everything will not happen ngendlela esifisa ngayo, will not happen ngendlela esicabanga ngayo, will not happen ngomzuzu esifisa ukuthi kwenzeke ngayo. But sihlezi sazi singabantu ukuthi sinokuzikhethela kuyona yonke into because the Lord has granted us with an opportunity yokuthi sikwazi ukukhetha okufanelekile nokubalekile ngezimpilo zethu. It's just like esikoleni if uthisha ezophinda futhi anikeze agrante abantwana i-opportunity ukuthi baphinde ba-rewrite i-assignment, ba-rewrite whatever, usuke banikeza ithuba lokuthi benze kangcono. It is not a chance because ubukeka njengesilima, right, ukuthi awuphinde uyababhalisa futhi kade bebhalile, kade ubanikeza inyanga yonke uyiphinda futhi ubanikeza another week, ubukeka njengesilima vele lo teacher. But ngenxa yena yokuthanda abantwana, ebathandela ukuthi baphumelele, ebathandela ukuthi baphase, what the teacher is going to do uzobanikeza another opportunity ukuthi yazini, because you have failed this assignment, because you have failed ukubhala lokho ebekulindeleke kunina, because you have failed ukukhiqiza the rightful information ezonenza niphase, then I'm giving you more and more time so that nizokwazi ukuthi nilungise le assignment ebese niyakwazi ukuthi niphumelele. Other teachers will laugh at that teacher ukuthi why would you do that, labantwana vele abasibona isidingo sokwenza lento nanani. But uthisha ngenxa ukuthi uyathanda ukuthi abantwana baphumelele, that is why ebanikeza the opportunity. But it may happen ukuthi sebenikeziwe that kind of opportunity, uthisha aphinda abashushe futhi ukuthi okay, ilungiseni ke ngokusheshsha because ngeke asabanika leya period yenyanga yonke anymore. But isikhathi sezobanikeza sona, it's just a period of only 1 week. But akusho ukuthi akusase lona ithuba lele kade vele banikeze lona. It's still the same chance, it's still the same thing, but akusezokwenzeka ngendlela akade ethanda ukuthi kwenzeke ngayo because they were given an opportunity, they were granted isikhathi, bangakusebenzisa ngendlela efanelekile. Kahle kahle kusayithuba elingqayizi vele kwayilona ukuthi banikezwe another week ukuthi bayilungise le assignment, another time ukuthi bayi-rewrite, bayiqale maphansi. Other teachers wouldn't do that, other preachers wouldn't do that, other people wouldn't do that. So it is an opportunity of a lifetime kahle kahle ukuthi unikeze ithuba lokuthi uphinde uyenze into. But inkinga leli thuba osunikezwe lona seli-shortened, usunesikhathi esincane manje ukuthi ukwenze. But noma sisincane singako, at least you still have it, at least you are given, at least you can still do it, at least usangayilungisa le assignment. Unlike laba bangasenalithuba, unlike laba sebephuciwe opportunity, unlike laba bangeke basaphinde bekwazi ukuthi bayilungise, whether it's marked already, whether sekudlulile, sekurekhodiwe nani. But because you still have the opportunity to fix it, to do it, then do it. It's about time ukuthi ngoba uyabona ukuthi okay, since sengisalelwe iviki elilodwa noma since uthisha nginikeze just 1 week, I don't need to play like I did last month, I don't need to waste time like I did last month, because ngale nkathi usasalelwe inyanga ubona ukuthi sarelaxiwe vele le assignment le kusakude ukuthi ibe due, ebese yasimosha isikhathi 2 weeks nje uyirelaxele, ungayithinti nokuyibuka ukuthi kudingakalani, kudingeka ukuthi wenze inani. Uyirelaxele nje, uyitanasele wena, okay that's fine. But kuthi sekusele u2 weeks usuyaqala usuyadadazela, usuyayenza, usuyayilungisa. Kodwa if that opportunity has been taken away from wena. Seliyamhakwa manje iphepha noma seliyadlulisela lamhakwa laze laphela lashona le, then you will never have another opportunity ever again. Kuzocaca ukuthi uphasile noma ufailile or kwenzakaleni ngawe. But if uthisha sanithandile, if uthisha sanibekezelele athi okay ngoba ngithenga imaki assignment yakho ngabona ukuthi awuphumelelanga kahle, then take the time and use it ukuthi we rewrite futhi uphinde uzame futhi so that uzokwazi ukuthi uphase uphumelele, because that's the most important part. That's the most important thing. So that you can make it. And bear in mind, this opportunity is not granted to each and everyone. This opportunity is not granted to nanombani. And futhi ayinikeza umuntu ngoba nakho mhlawumbe uyayideserve kangcono. No one is better. Akekho umuntu omuhle la. uNkulunkulu kuphela omuhle. uNkulunkulu kuphela ongcwele. Thina sonke sizoni. We are just given an opportunity ukuthi sihlele silungise amacala ethu. We are just given an opportunity ukuthi sizihlambulule, sizihlanze, sisuke esonweni, sibuyele kuJehova. So because uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi siyona lapha emhlabeni, siyabheda lapha emhlabeni, asekhiqizi lokho kumele sikhiqize. We are not living the truth as he wants us to live. We are not eating the food that he wants us to eat. We are not dressing up the way he wants us to dress. Asenzi ngendlela efanelekile, sisenza isono lesi sinyanyekayo kuye. What the Lord does then, usipha another time ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi silungise, sizihlenge, sihlengeke kuzo zonke izono. But unfortunately, because siphile ezikhathini zokugcina njengamanje, isitha siyalwa ngandlela zonke nxa zonke, and people, they are busy using their time to do more and more sin. And when you are doing more and more sin, that is when isitha sithola intuba, sithola ukuvumeleka ezintweni zonke nasezintweni eziningi lapha emhlabeni. So the Lord, what is the Lord is doing, or what the Lord is saying njengamanje kimi ukuthi uyakasinikeze ithuba lokuthi senze njani, lokuthi silungise njengamanje siphila esikhathini sokugcina lapha ethi khona uNkulunkulu hayibo sukane ezonweni, hayibo nizophupha, hayibo nizofa, lokho tshwala kuzokubulala, lokho kubhema kuzokubulala, leyo mfebe izokubulala, lezo zindlela zizokubulala. But because people are so much in those kind of sin, bagcwele kulezo zindawo, bagcwele kulezo zimbandakanya ngalezo zinto, bagcwele ngokuhlala esonweni ngenkani, uNkulunkulu is still granting another chance yokuthi siqale sibhale kabusha. But noma kunjalo isikhathi sesisingaka, isikhathi sifinyeziwe, isikhathi asisekho. That is our topic namhlanje ukuthi isikhathi asisokho. This is what the Lord is saying these days. Time is no more. Time has been shortened. Time has been limited. Time is gone. Bantu bakaNkulunkulu. Asikho isikhathi. I don't know if we can all realize ngezinto ezenzakalayo daily ukuthi yazi kuphela i-hour liphele ngazuthi i-minute. Yes, ngihleke nje mangabe ngivuke earlier than i-alarm lami ngithi ayike leli minute leli seli second lami ngize ngihleke leyo ndaba ngithi iminute selaba yi-second lapha emhlabeni. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi izinto uyayibona ukuthi okay kuyenzeka seqhubeka isikhathi, uthi uyasibuka asisekho, uthi uyalibuka ilanga seliyashona. And that is a huge problem kuthina abantu. Why? Because many people, they still think ukuthi they can still do izinto abajwayele ukuzenza ngendlela abajwayele ukuthi benze ngayo, forgetting ukuthi the shortening of time, ukuncipha kwaso isikhathi kangaka kulimita wena ekuthenini ukwazi ukwenza zonke izinto ojwayele ukuzenza. Let's say ngosuku in 5 hours ukwazi ukuthi uwashe, ukline, upheke. Then let's say ke u5 hours okwazi ukwenza ukuthi ube allowed ukuthi uzenze zonke lezi zinto, right? Uyawasha, uyapheka, uyaklina. And then if isikhathi sinciphile saba u3 hours, umbuzo uthi usazokwazi ukwenza zo3 lezi zinto? Usazokwazi ukuzenza in 3 hours, ukwasha, upheke, uklina, if it takes you 5 hours? Ukugeza, if it takes you a whole hour, kukuthatha i-hour lonke ukuthi ugeze, if i-hour lonke is been shortened to a time like 40 minutes, usazokwazi ukugeza i-hour lonke noma uzokweqela ngale? Because ujwayele ukuthatha i-hour ugeza from 6 to 7 angithi. Then if isikhathi sesishortened sesisifishane, wena usajwayele ukuthi usenza kancane, wena usajwayele ukuthi usenza ngendlela owenza ngayo. Usajwayele ukuthi kumele ngenze ukuthi uzothi uyabuka akusewona u7 seku7:30 because wena ujwayele ngendlela owenza ngayo angithi, of which is a huge risk esiyithathayo sinabantu kulezi ikhathi okugcina ukuthi sizitshela ukuthi hayi ngisenesikhathi esiningi ngisangakwenza ukuthi ngisangacomplete lo msebenzi ngeke kusenzeka no more. And the Lord is allowing the time to move so quick so that kuzokwenzakalani, so that ukubhubha komhlaba kuzosondela kakhulu. And the reason why ukubaleka kakhulu uNkulunkulu esivumele isikhathi ukuthi sinciphe siphele kangaka, wenzela abangcwele bakhe, wenzela abalungileyo bakhe, ngoba sekonakele emhlabeni, sekubolile emhlabeni. Akuseyona lento uNkulunkulu ayidedalile, akuseyona lento uNkulunkulu ade ehlelile, akuseyona lento uNkulunkulu ade efisa ukuthi kube yiyona lapha emhlabeni. So ngenxa yabalungileyo bakhe uNkulunkulu will allow time to go as quickly so that soshwankathela sisheshe siphele khona uNkulunkulu ezokwazi ukuthi athumele uJesu ukuthi alande abantwana bakhe lapha emhlabeni ekuhluphekeni okukhulu kangaka naso sizini olugcwele njengamanje. So isikhathi asiseko ngampela abantu bakaNkulunkulu, and if we're still wasting time ngazo zonke izinto esizwaste ngazo isikhathi, then we are so much in trouble, then we are so much in an understanding ukuthi kwenzakalani kulesi sikhathi okugcina njengamanje, kwenzakalani kulomzuzu esiphila kona njengamanje, kwenzakalani emhlabeni. Ufuna ukuthatha ngojwayela, uthatha ngokwenza njengayizolo, uthatha njengokwenza njengakuthangi, akusafani nakuthangi, akusafani nayizolo, akusafani na last week, akusafani, definitely akusafani na last year. But njengamanje seligaya ngomunye umhlathi, seligaya ngenye indlela, sesiphila kwi-time frame that is so quick in such a way that if unganakile uziphilele emhlabeni ukuphila physical wena, then isikhathi sohlezi sikushiya, isikhathi sohlezi sikushiya. And the most important thing ekumele siyazi siqonde bantu bakaNkulunkulu eyenziwa isitha, it is making people not have time, especially for themselves, especially for God. Mangithi for themselves angikhulumi ngesikhathi sakho sokuthi uyikhiphe uhambe uyolala, uhambe uyokwenza ukuthi noma wenze whatever uthanda ukuyenza. Ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina reading your verse, ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina meditating with yourself, ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina trying to connect with the Lord, connecting with the Holy Spirit. Ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina in prayer, ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina in worship, ngikhuluma ngesikhathi sakho mina in connecting with the Lord, because that is your time with the Lord, because ubhizi uconnecta nobaba wakho, ubhizi uconnecta nezulu, ubhizi uconnecta nemvelaphi yakho, ubhizi uyadla emphefumulweni. So isitha what is trying to do, because siyabona isithi ukuthi okay abantu abamunderstand uNkulunkulu, abantu abaziqondi bona, abantu abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni, yazini ngcono sibamoshela isikhathi so that isikhathi esiningi bezosiqhubha kakhulu in their deeds, bezosiqhubha kakhulu in their needs, bezosiqhubha kakhulu in their responsibilities, because my responsibilities are mila njalo. Isisa sikweleta kumele udle at the end of the day, kumele uwash at the end of the day, ngeke uzohlala nengubo engcolile, kumele usuwashe leso sitshe. You have to do all these things kusanjalo akakajiki lutho. But what is being done to you ngaleso sikhathi kwenzela ukuthi wena ushwankathele isikhathi uzungasazi esikaNkulunkulu, ungasazi esokuziphulukisa, ungasazi esokubuyela enkonzweni, because when you are so busy with the washing imoshela isikhathi awusakwazi enkonzweni, you are so busy with whatever yenza ngosuku emcimbini usukmoshela isikhathi awusakwazi ukufunda iBhayibheli lakho, you are so busy wena with isoka lakho, intombi yakho, awusakwazi ukuthi uzisize wena ngesikhathi sakho, uzisize ngokusondelana noNkulunkulu and getting closer and closer to the Lord. But where you are getting closer and closer to, you are getting closer and closer ekulahlekiseni nasekulahlekeni inguna phakade, because the more isikhathi sihamba asiphinde sibuye. Yabo le 12 o'clock bekumele ukhuleke ngawo, wangakhuleka ngawo, you were so busy, ngeke uphinde uzubuye. Lo ya 6 o'clock bekumele ukhuleke ngawo, wangakwenza lokho, ngeke uzuphinde uzubuye. Lo ya 9 o'clock ekuseni, you were supposed to read your verse, your Bible, angithi wangakwenza lokho, awusoze uphinde ubuye, because people are so focused on themselves. They're so busy with their needs. They're so busy with whatever is rightful for them, whatever is good, ezobosiza ukubona, in such a way that they do not understand ukuthi badinga ukuziphulukisa kangakanani, badinga ukuzilapha kangakanani bona emphefumulweni, bona emzimbeni yabo, badinga ukuzisiza kangakanani spiritually. Because I want to tell you this today, people of God, ukuthi everything that has to do with your spirit, It is something that you are responsible for. Everything ehlangene nawe nempilo yakho into wena responsible for yona. Not umfundisi wakho, not umhlobo wakho, not umakhelwane wakho, umzalwane wakho. Never. It is something that you are responsible for. Ukuthi uyakhuleka, you are the one that is responsible for praying for yourself, because wena wazi ukuthi ubhekene nani, wena wazi ukuthi uqondene nani. Uzothi umakhelwane wakho that is responsible for cooking for when uyena omela kuphekela ngaso sonke isikhathi kanjani, because wena wazi ukuthi nginotamatisi kuphela, wena wazi ukuthi nginekabishi kuphela. You are the one responsible, because wena wazi ukuthi yini obhekene nayo, yini ohlezi ngaso sonke isikhathi ikuthwalisa kanzima. You the one who knows ukuthi siphi isipoki ehlezi ngihlupha. Mhlawumbe unesipoki esikumoshela ukudla siqedele zonke izinto. Mhlawumbe unesipoki esiqedele imali yakho. Mhlawumbe kunomoya okwenza ukuthi uhlebe noma ungasathandi. Mhlawumbe kunomoya okuhlezi ukudeceive. You the one who knows ukuthi ubhekene nani, because sibhekana nezinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene each and every day. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ekseni mhlawumbe uzoba nomoya wakho uzoba phansi nje, kanti kuzohlaseleka wena. Mhlawumbe emini nje uzozizwa udangele nje ungekho right, kanti kunomoya obhizi uqhambela amanga. Entambama uzohuhiseka ukuthi hambe yophuza nabangani bakho. You the one that is knowing everything that is in touch with you, ehlezi kuhlupa, because le moya isilwisa mahora wonke, mizuzu yonke, each and every second ilwisa wena ngendlela yakho, nomunye imlisa ngendlela yakhe, nomunye imlisa ngendlela yakhe, ngezindlela ezahlukene ngaso sonke isikhathi. That is why it is so important ukuthi sihlezi siqaphela okwenzakala ezimpilweni zethu, sihlezi sazi futhi we are the one responsible for ourselves. Uma uzigeza wena wazi ukuthi kuluma la, angithi wena wazi ukuthi indlebe engayigezisisanga izolo yona kumele ngiyigezisise. If uzofuna ukugezwa ngaso sonke isikhathi, lo uzokugezela uzobona kuyikhanda elingcolile kanti lona li right, uzobona kungamakhwapha angcolile kanti wona angconywana. Kanti wena uyazi ukuthi indaba isemashiyeni, uyazi ukuthi indaba isemadolweni, uyazi ukuthi isemaqakaleni la enkabeni inkaba okade wagcina ukuyikhuculula isisi. You the one who understand ukuthi ayibo yazi ngibatshwa la. Fana nento mawuzolunya I remember nje abantu abadala kudala bethi asibanwaye. Thola ukuthi nginwaye la gogo, hayi lapho. Kuphi gogo? Hayi lapho. Hlehla. Athi hlehla. Suyafika. Ezansi nyuka. Ecele. Uhambe ugudle mhlane wakho ugogo uyozufike la efuna ukuthi umnwaye khona. Kodwa if bengathi ubene instrument thizeni into abengazinwaya ngayo, ubeze uya direct la khona efuna ukuthi anwayeke khona, because yabo ukulunywa being itchy into efuna ukuthi uyi-attend manje into yamanje edinga ukuthi ibe ne-attention, uyi-attend njengamanje engadinga ukuthi leyo mosha isikhathi ushona le nale. There is itchiness, ukulunywa nokubatshwa nani. So singabantu thina saziyo ukuthi sibhekene nani, wena wazi ukuthi ulunywa kuphi, wena wazi ukuthi udinga ukugezwa kuphi, wena wazi ukuthi udinga ukukhulekela kuphi, wena wazi ukuthi yini ombalekile kumele uyenze each and every day, because asiphila impilo efanayo. Ngithi khona abasebenzayo, khona abangasebenzi, khona abatohozayo, khona abanamabhizinisi abo abadayisayo. Ziningi izinto ezizenzayo each and every day. Siphele ngokuhlukahlukana and asiphili in same environment like ekuthenini siphila sonke siba u3 emakhaya, cha khona ba u5, khona ba u10, khona ohlala yedwa. You know, there are many instances and circumstances esiphila ngaphansi kwawo. But if you understand your own circumstances, you're the one who will understand ukuthi okay, the more isikhathi sincipha kangaka, mina njengoba nginezingane ezo5 ngijwayele ukuthi ngivuke ngo5 ngibageze, so that bonke bezokhava imoto ka7 bezokwazi ukuthi bahambe bedlile ibreakfast, bezokwazi ukuthi bahambe imphako ipakishiwe, bezokwazi ukuthi kwenzeke u1 no2 no3. Then because isikhathi sesinciphile, into ezomele ngiyenze, angimele ngivuke ngo5 manje, sekumele ngivuke nge-hour prior, sekuzomele ngivuke ngo4 ke njengamanje, so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngisikhave isikhathi sokuthi bakwazi ukuthi bahambe, so that ngizokwazi ukuthi sikhave isikhathi sokuthi bahambe bedlile, so khaveka isikhathi sokuthi bahambe be right, yonke into right, begqokile, ngababona ukuthi ba ready nemphako, all the lunch boxes are ready and set and go. Because isikhathi, the more siba short, I promise you people, sizo ngokuya sibe shorter and shorter. Not that ngoba kubusika, because abantu abaningi will take it very light. Because izinto zakamoya abantu abaningi bayithatha light, bayithatha physical ukuthi hayi ubusika, vele makubusika liyashesha ukushona ilanga. It's not just that. Akusikona nje lokho kuphela. But isikhathi is really short. Umzuzwana mncane kakhulu lapha emhlabeni. Asisenaso isikhathi. So if isayitshela ukuthi isanesikhathi sokutanasa, usayitshela ukuthi usanesikhathi sokulala, usayitshela ukuthi usanesikhathi sokubusa, usanesikhathi sokwenza zonke izinto obukade ujwayele ukuthi uzenze, you are in trouble lesikhathi sokugcina. Akusenjalo. Futhi akusophinde kube njalo. So umoya kaNkulunkulu, yazi into engiyithanda ngawo, uhlezi usipha ukuhlakanipha ngaso sonke isikhathi. Futhi ezintweni zonke usibuyisela ifocus yethu ngokubheka izinto number 1, ubheka izinto esizenzekile ukuthi okay, izolo wone kanje ebese uzokuxwayisa, izolo ubhede kanje ngcono namhlanje wenze kanje. So umoya kaNkulunkulu will come ubheke izolo lakho ukuthi izolo you wasted time ngo 1 no 2 no 3, namhlanje do better. Izolo you woke up late, namhlanje vuka earlier or prior. Ubheke izinto ezenzakala ukuthi uyasimosha isikhathi manje ukuthi uyasimosha isikhathi, rather not do this, rather do this. And ngokwenza kwakho kanjalo, by listening to the umoya kaNkulunkulu, ila uzokwazi ukuthi usizakale khona and be able to spend your time nicely and be able to manage your time ngendlela right ebalekile ezoba usizo kuwena. Uphinde futhi more especially ubheke izinto ezisazokwenzeka, because the more you waste time, you are wasting it for yourself ukuthi uzoshiwe ile yamoto. You are wasting it for yourself ukuthi uzoshiwe ile yamoto kade uzohlangana naye. You are wasting it for yourself ukuthi ube late emsebenzini uzothola written warning. You are wasting it for yourself ukuthi ube late esikoleni uzoshawa esangweni. You are wasting it for yourself ukuthi ube late kwi-exam room to paka ke, ngoba phela wena uhlakaniphila ngithi ufuna ukuvuka ngesikhathi sakhe esithando wena, kodwa wazi kahle ukuthi i-exam iqala ngo9 wena ufuna ukufika ngo9:30. So uzobheka izinto ezizokwenzeka ukuthi no man, this is a problem, this is a challenge, but rather don't do this, rather don't do it like this, rather enza kanje. Ubheka zonke izinto. That is how uNkulunkulu is so smart. That is how uNkulunkulu is full of ideas, and uhlezi efuna ukuthi asisize ngokuthi nathi asabele the same amount of ukuhlakanipha, siqonde sibese siyadeda, sisizakale ezintweni eziningi. So as I was saying ukuthi ubheka zonke izinto wenzela ukuthi sizoqonda, and then when you understand, you know what, there's something important about understanding. When you understand something, uyadeda kokubi. When you understand ukuthi ngampela lobutshwala buzongibulala, uzodeda kubona. Ngampela lokugwayi uzongidalela isifo samaphaphu, ngeke usawubhema. Ngampela ukuhamba kwami ebusuku eseshila uma ukuthi ngingahambi, khona into engenzeka lapha ebusuku, and then you stay inside. The more you get to a point of understanding, uqonda ukuthi ngeke lo yamashonisa impela ngiyamthemba futhi ngiyathanda ukuthi ngisizoyena ngaso sonke isikhathi, kodwa ngeke. Kuyingozi ukuthi ngihlezi ngithembele kumashonisa, ngelinye ilanga mase ngingasenayo imali, they will kill me. The more you get to understand deep within, I'm talking about deep understanding, ukwazi ukuyiqonda into ukuthi now I understand. Oh, kusho ukuthi yazi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi ngizolimala umthethweni, ngizoba senkingeni. And the more you get to a point of real understanding, uzosuka, uzoyeka leyo nto. It's just like isono. When you get to understanding ngampela ukuthi sizongibulala, uyadeda kusona. Ithini incwadi engiyithanda kakhulu, uJob 28:28, uthi uqala ukuhlakanipha kungumesaba uJehova, uqonda kungukudeda ebubeni, because you now understand ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ukuthi. So if we come to an understanding bantu bakaNkulunkulu, siqonda ukuthi isikhathi njoba sesinciphisiwe, sik-understande ngampela lokho deep within, ekuncipheni kwaso isikhathi sincipha kanjena, Sizokwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto sidede kuzona. Sizokwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto singazenzi ezingenasidingo. Sizoqonda ebese sideda kungafanelekile sisondele kokulungile okuzoba usizo empilweni zethu. Number 2, sizohlakanipha. There's something that is very important when it comes to ukuhlakanipha that I wish for us to understand today. You know, when it comes to ukuhlakanipha, it's all about making sure that wenza izinto ezi-important first. Sungakwenza kokunye ukuthabisayo ukuthokozisayo nani, but if wenza okubalekile kuqala, then usuphelele icala. Uyazi ukuthi if uyi-cleaner, kumele uqale ngokuthi ugeze ingane ekseni, kumele uqale ngokuthi mhlawumbe uwashe izitsha, kumele uqale ngokuthi wenze ukuthi uzokwenza sure ukuthi uyakwenza lokho. Yes, ulambile, but uzokhanda sure ukuthi okay, yazini angiphuthume ngenze ukuthi ngenze ngicleane, ngigeze ingane, ngilungise kanje nakanje nakanje. Ebese uma usukwenzile lokho, usungakwazi ukuthi uqhubeke nezinye izinto, usungakwazi ukuthi uthathe i-tea time yakho. Uthi uyabuka ukuthi uyashaya u-10, kodwa inkinga umama uthe uyeza manje uzolanda ingane. Yazini, angiqale ngokuthi ngigeze yona, ngisheshe ngiyilungise ingane ibe ready. Abethe fika nje umama athathe ingane, sengayithatha ke-tea time, sengayithatha ke i-lunch. That is the level yokuhlakanipha, yoku-understand ukuthi let me do this because it's most important. Ngenze kona kuqala, and mengenza kona ngizobe sengiyisizile impela ngokuthi ngiyazi ukuthi sengizoba naye free time, because isikhathi uhlezi uba naso umuntu. Akekho umuntu ongaba busy 24 hours a day. I guarantee for sure akekho, otherwise you will die. But you always get that time, you always get that 30 minutes nyana, you always get that hour nyana, especially when it comes to isikhathi santambama sasebusuku ke, isikhathi sokuthi usuyalala usuyaphumula nani. We all get to that point. Ngisho kuthi ulala ngo-11 noma ngo-12 ebusuku, but at least uzogcina ulalile. So how about you take all the time onaso usebenzisele ezintweni ezibalekile ezizoba usizo kuwena kusasa, so that okunye nokunye kuyizele ngamuva, okunye nokunye kuyizele ngesinye isikhathi, because sizofika vele isikhathi, like it or not. That is why ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini wasibusisa kakhulu ngobumnyama, enzela ukuthi sihambe siphumule, because imizimba yethu ihambe ikhathale. We can work over and over, silibele sisebenzile, no, sihamba sikhathale, sidinga ukuthi siphumule, sidinga ukuthi senze zonke izinto ezibalekile nathi, because resting is another way of productivity. You are productive if you have rested. Productive ngendlela esimanga, because we understand ukuthi umzimba ukuze uthole amanye amandla kumele futhi ukwazi ukuthi urelax, kumele ukwazi ukuthi uyisele energy, recharge, because ayikho ifona ngithi ekwazi ukuthi isebenze ku-0%. You need to charge it, same as your body. It needs to be recharged over and over again. So what I was trying to say ukuthi ukuhlakanipha means knowing what to do at the right time, at the right moment, so that you can help yourself. It actually means being able to separate between what is important and what is less important, or what is not important at all. Kusho ukwazi ukukwehlukanisa phakathi kwento ebalulekile nento engabalulekanga. Ubona ukuthi okay, ngisangakwazi ukuthi ngisebenza ngakashawe isiyezi, then ngingaqhubeka nomsebenzi, ngizobuye ngilibone itiye, ngizobuye ngisibone isinkwa, ngizobuye ngikubone lokho. The level of ukuhlakanipha uNkulunkulu akasibusise ngayo, it means understanding all those things. Number 3, sixwaye. Ngaso sonke isikhathi kumoya kaNkulunkulu uhlezi uzosixwayisa, ngoba thina abantu izinto sizibuka physically, izinto sizithatha sinoma kanjani, sithatha nje ngokuthanda kwethu. But umoya kaNkulunkulu uhlezi uzozama ukusixwayisa ukuthi no, qaphela, buka, jonga, zisize. In helping who? Thina at the end of the day. Because iloko ngihlezi ngithanda ukuthi siqonde singabantu ukuthi uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba konke yasabela kona, konke yazisondeza kona kithi, kuzosiza thina nje kuphela, because asazi lutho thina, asiqondi lutho thina, asiboni lutho thina, asihlakaniphanga futhi nakancu. I promise you people, asihlakaniphanga thina. And I've seen indlela abantu abangahlakaniphanga ngayo, especially when it comes to izinto zakamoya. ubuwula obungaka asihlakaniphanga kwanhlobo. So sihlezi sidinga ukuqwashiswa, sihlezi sidinga ukuxwayiswa, sihlezi sidinga ukusizwa. It's just like a baby, because sifana nabantwana ngithi. It's just like a baby, uyibona ukuthi wena hayibo uzowa laphaya, hayibo uzolimala, suka lapha. Udinga ukuthi uyiqwashisa ngithi, udinga ukuthi uyihlakaniphisa ngithi, udinga ukuthi uyisize, uyixwayise, ngoba yona ayiqondi ukuthi izowa ngampela laphaya, ayiqondi ukuthi izolimala ngampela lapha, ayiqondi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani laphaya. So bantu bakaNkulunkulu, umoya kaNkulunkulu uzosixwayisa ukuthi nasi isikhathi esincipha bo, nasi isikhathi siphela bo, nasi isikhathi singekho bo, naku konakala ezweni bo, naku kwando kubi kuphela, okuhle kungande, okuhle kuncipha, naku kwenzeka izinto ezimbi lapha emhlabeni. And the more isikhathi siphela sincipha, sokhala siyithulise. And more especially futhi usixwayisela ukuthi sidede ebubini, like I was saying, uqala kokuhlakanipha noma uqonda understand something kwenza ukuthi udede kuyona, usuke more completely, ukuze sizokwazi ukuziphulukisa, ukuzisiza ezintweni zonke noma ezintweni eziningi ezikhona nezenzakalayo lapha emhlabeni. So we need to help ourselves, siyiphulukise, siyisize thina. So bantwana bakaNkulunkulu, asisekho ngempela isikhathi. Ngisho singacabanga ukuthi sikhona kangakanani, noma singabuye ngazuthi amen yonke into isafana, kusasa kusawubusika, sisavuka, sisalala, sisenza 1 no 2 no 3. Akusekona kodwa lokuya, akusekona kodwa ngale ndlela le abeNkulunkulu kade esihlelele ngayo, asekona lokho besicabanga. And kune relaxing nje eningi futhi physically, yazi kurelaxiwe kakhulu ngendlela esisabisayo. It's so scary indlela abantu abaso relaxed ngayo. It is so scary indlela abantu abanganakile ngayo, abantu abangaboni ngayo, indlela abantu abazinikele ezintweni eziningi ezingasho lutho, ezingathi sure, ezingeke zabasiza ngalutho egcineni. It is so scary. And indlela kwenzeka ngayo bantu bakaNkulunkulu izosilimaza, ngoba lesikhathi nje besincipha kangaka, sinciphe nempilo yakho, sibaleka nempilo yakho, silethe uJesu Kristu ukuthi azokwahlulela. So kubalekile ukuba siqonde ukuthi konke kungathi lapha emhlabeni, everything is about us, esikwenzayo, okwenzekayo, nokusazokwenzeka. You know, these 3 things, they really kudlala indima ekuthenini si understand, siqonde ukuthi everything is about us, because ithina senze izinto lapha emhlabeni, ithina futhi sisazokwehlelwa izinto lapha emhlabeni, ithina futhi konke okwenzakalayo kwenzeka kithi. So izinto ezenzakalayo whether yenzeka le, but izohlezi ngibandakanye. Fana when it comes to izimpi ezikhona ezenzeka phesheya, abantu abaningi banokurelax ukuthi amen yenzeka phesheya, sihlangana phithina no Gaza, sihlangana no Israel. Egcineni kosuku nathi sizoba sengcupheni, nathi sizoba senkingeni, nathi sizozithola sesiphakathi kulezo zimpi lezo, because everything that is happening around the world in the globe, we are always gonna be sonke sithola amachaphazela ngakho. Kufana nabazali mabezolwa ekhaya beshadile, umama nobaba, obaba bazothola amachaphazela. Yes, ingane ayikho ekuthenini bayala bayashayana uma ukuthi babambana ngamaqupha noma bayathukana, but iyona ezogcina ithola amachaphazela, ngoba mase sewumama ngiyakudivorce wena baba, iyona ngane ezoba nenkinga because ayisahlala nabazali boba u2, ayisayitholi uthando labo boba u2, kunalokho sebeyadonsisana ngayo, nomunye ayifuna nomunye ayifuna, nomunye mhlawumbe uzothakana indaba nayo, nomunye uzothaka amncengile omunye, nomunye ngeke asayondla ingane, nomunye ngeke asaba nendaba ingane, nomunye usezofuna ukuyinukubeza ingane. Kuningi okuzokwenzeka ngani ngempi eqale kulabo boba u2. Yes, ingane izibone bingambandakenye vele, ibingahlangene vele ubaba echeater, ibingahlangene vele bexabana bebanga whatever kade beyibanga, but ekugcineni kosuku izothola amachaphazelo, izothola ukumbandakanyeka in whatever esuke siyi results yokuxabana kwabo, because there are always results to everything. Kunemphumela ngayo yonke into ebese yambandakanyeka. So yonke into eyenzakala lapha emhlabeni sihleze simbandakanyeka sonke singabantu. Mase kuthiwa i-economy njengamanje iyadropa, it's zero, sonke sombandakanyeka. Yes, wena uyingane nje una 12 years uyihlalele Nkosi ekhaya bakithi awuhlangene, awungendawo uhulumeni, awungendawo ezimalini, kodwa umzali wakho njengoba i-economy isishone phansi usephelele umsebenzi angithi. And mase phelele umsebenzi ngiyasakwazi ukulanda igrocery angithi. Mase ngasakwazi ukulanda igrocery kuzophekwa ini la ekhaya, mase ngasaphekwa ini uzodlana. So at the end of the day yonke into siyambandakanyeka, especially abantu baNkulunkulu when it comes to izinto ezisazokwenzeka, because there's a lot coming, there's a lot okunyinyelayo, there's a lot okuhlaselayo, there's a lot okusingathayo, there's a lot okukhona okuhlelwayo okuzayo, especially okuhlelwa isitha ngabantu, okuhlelwa isitha ngoluntu. Isitha sihlela yonke into, siyaplota ABC, siyabuka abantu bathandana, abantu balangazelela ini, abantu basimosha isikhathi. Isitha siyasurveya, siyaspaya, siyabuka, siyamonitor. They monitoring spirits, are monitoring everything, they are monitoring you. They are monitoring your moves. Okay, it's okay, uthanda lokhu, uthanda ukwenza lokhu, uthanda ukuyimbandakanya kulokhu nalokhu, then masingambamba ngokuthi sobe sesiqedile, masingambamba ngokuthi sobe sesidana. So isitha has come to seeing ukuthi abantu, they like themselves more angithi, they like money, they like ukuthi bajabule bona, bathanda ukulala, bathanda ukuyidlela, bathanda ukuyikhipha, bathanda zonke izinto ezimnandi ezizosutha bona. So sithi sitha okay, ukuzeke ngoba amaqiniso kaNkulunkulu asesabalele these days, izithunya zikaNkulunkulu zigcwele, and there is an opportunity, there are many chances ukuthi abantu basinde ngalesikhathi sokugcina, ukuthi abantu baphulukise, ukuthi abantu bahlengeke ezintweni eziningi. Sithi sithe sababophela kuzona, sithi yazini asivele sibumoshela isikhathi. Yabo masingiqeda ngesikhathi bazongabi naso isikhathi sokuthi bamamukele uJesu, bazongabi naso isikhathi sokuthi bafundele iBhayibheli libele babatshela ngalo, bazongabi nesikhathi sokuthi bazile ukudla njengoba bebatshela, bazongabi nesikhathi, kodwa bazoba nesikhathi sokuthi cause kumele awashe, kumele clean, kumele enze konke, kumele ayikhiphe, kumele emsebenzini. The most important key out of everything in staying in caution, ukulalela. Ukhiye wodwa la empilweni sengibonile kuyona yonke into. It is just listening. It is just usebenzise izindlebe zakho, ukuthobeka, ukulalela yonke into otshelwa yona, especially from the people abazi kangcono, from the people abahlakaniphile, from the people abathunyelwe ukuthi bazoba usizo empilweni yakho. It is just listening. Because I promise you people, izithunya zikaNkulunkulu zigcwele njengamanje emhlabeni. The Lord has upgraded umoya wakhe in such a way that sibavusile abantu abaningi. Ebavusela ukuthi abantu baphulukiswe ezindaweni zonke, whether uvuse abaprofeti, abafundisi, ababishop, uvuse lonke uhlobo enzela ukuthi abantu baphulukiswe because isikhathini sokugcina. But because isitha siyakubona lokho, isitha siyayazi indaba, siyalazi izwi lakamoya, siyakwazi ukwenzakalayo, siyakwazi konke. Sithi yazini, because we cannot beat these people and we cannot even join them. Asidile nalaba bala ukuthi nanoma loya eza lokho aqhubeke nakwenzayo, ukuthi noma umtshele iqiniso kodwa aqhubeke alibalekele, aqhubeke abe business something and things ezizokwenza ukuthi lo la akhohle ukuthi kumele azilungise, akhohle ukuthi kumele ayilungiselele, akhohle ukuthi kumele enze okubalekile ngempilo yakhe, akhohle ukuthi kumele azisize, akhohle ukuthi kumele azihlenge, akhohle ukuthi kumele apheke ukudla, aziphekele aziphakele emphefumulweni, ukudla kwamoya, ukudla okuyizwi, ukudla okuyisibani. Ngona hlale bomnyama, because izwi likaNkulunkulu, it is a light, lisibane likhanyiselayo kuyo yonke into, especially ezonweni. But time is being wasted on people a lot in such a way that khona bengelinge bethola ithuba lokuthi bekwazi ukuzisiza, bethola ithuba lokuthi bekwazi ukuzihlenga, bethola ithuba lokuthi bekwazi ukuziphulukisa. okuyikona okubaluleke kakhulu. So kubalulekile ukuthi silalele. Whether izintshumayelo zidlala kuphi, lalelela ukuthi wenze. Not just listening, because many people they just listen ukuthi okay ngilalelile ngizwile ngiyile enkonzweni wafika washumayela ngoJohn 15 umvini namagatsha, then what? Ulalela ukuthi wenze. Because akulona izwi lokuthi nje likhulume liphafuze ngalokho ngaleso sikhathi, but it's a voice, izwi, iphimbo lokuthi wenze. If wena ngevoice yakho ngephimbo lakho uzothi ngiyacela ungiboleke u10 rand, ivoice yakho leyo ocela ngayo leya mali, ucelela ukuthi loya ocela kuyena asho ukuthi nginawo, ahamba esikhwameni awukhiphe akunikeze, noma asho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa anginawo, by your voice. So izwi likaNkulunkulu liyizwi lokusitshela ukuthi asenzeni. 3 iBhayibheli ekutshela ku-Exodus 20 ukuthi ungebi, kutshelela ukuthi ungakwenzi lokho, ikutshela ukuthi ungaphingi, kutshelela ukuthi ungakwenzi lokho, ungabulali, kutshelela ukuthi ungakwenzi lokho. Izwi. So nangabafundisi mezokutshela umfundisi ukuthi hayibo bazalwane, njalo nina nihlezi ngoFacebook, njalo sisenkonzweni nina nibhizi nichofa amafoni. It is the voice lokukhomanda, lokusiza, lokuxwayisa nolokuthi abantu babuyele endleleni. It is the voice. Kahle kahle kusuke ngalona izwi lakhe umfundisi, because yena ngokuthanda kwakhe noma ngokwakhe ningenza isinoma kanjani, but it is the voice. So kuyizwi likaNkulunkulu ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi hayibo laba endaweni yami, endlini yami benza amanyala, endaweni yami, endlini yami benza ubutha, benza zonke izinto ezinengekayo ezinyanyekayo kimi engingazifuni. So it is the voice, izwi. John 1, eqaleni wayekhona ulizwi, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu, ulizwi wayenguNkulunkulu. Ubani? Ulizwi. uJesu wayeyizwi likaNkulunkulu. uMose wayeyizwi likaNkulunkulu. oJeremiya abaprofethi bangamazwi kaNkulunkulu. Njengoba besho ukuthi la selifika izwi kaJehova lathi kimi, Hezekiya izwi kaNkulunkulu. All the messengers kaNkulunkulu, they are the voice of God, because uNkulunkulu ngeke azeze lazo ekhulumela. Ithini imilomo emele siphafuze ini elakhe iqiniso ezizweni zonke ezidukileyo khona zizokwazi ukuthi ziphulukise zibuyele endleleni. So izwi likaNkulunkulu lithini namhlanje? Lithi bantu baNkulunkulu isikhathi asisekho, isikhathi sincane, isikhathi siphelile. I-hour liphele ngazuthi i-minute. Uzoxaka ukuthi hawu sekuthi njalo kanjani? Kade ngivuka manje. It's all about ukuthi wenze njani ke. Do some adjusting. We need to adjust our lives. Kuzomela ukuthi uyishintshe manje impilo yakho. Kuzomela ukuthi ushintshe manje ukwenza. Kuzomela ukuthi ushintshe manje uspend isikhathi esiningi wenza izinto ezingena sidingo ezingathi shu. Ungabusakwenza manje. Only if you want to help yourself. Only if uzofuna ukuthi yonke into yakho iqhubeke ngendlela efanelekile. So njengoba umoya kaNkulunkulu usibonisa zonke lezi zinto, uzama ukusiza thina silungise, siqwashe ebese senza kangcono ezintweni zonke ukuze sizophulukiswa futhi sihlengeke ngokuba ngakho konke lokhu asitshela kona kusizakala thina ekugcineni kosuku. Ezubaba wethu ohlala ekhaya ezulwini ehlezi ekucacisa ukuthi yithi esidinga ukusizwa lapha emhlabeni, futhi yithi esidinga ukwelashwa nokuhlengwa ezintweni zonke. Njengamanje umoya weqiniso uzama ukusiza ngokusiqaphelisa nangokusicacisela ngokusemqoka ukuthi isikhathi asisekho kangakanani lapha emhlabeni, asisenaso kangakanani lapha emhlabeni. uJehova ubaba ukuvumelile futhi ukuthi isikhathi sisheshe kangaka noma sigijime ngalesi sivinini esigijima ngaso ngenxa yezizathu eziningi, kodwa kubaluleke kakhulu ekumele sikwazi thina abantu ukuthi ukugijima kwaso kuzoxokozisa kakhulu umhlaba, kuzoxokozisa kakhulu izimpilo zethu. Your life will not get easier njengamanje, but it will keep on getting difficult and more difficult. Kanjani ngokuthi if uzoqhubeka wenze ngendlela kade wenza ngayo kudala. If uzoqhubeka uspend isikhathi esiningi ubhizi efonini yakho, impilo yakho izoxokoziseka. Impilo yakho izoba senkingeni because uzospenda 3 hours, let's say uspenda ku TikTok, ubhizi uyascrolla, usadinga ukugeza, usadinga ukudla, usadinga ukupheka, usadinga ukuwasha. Uthi uvela ureceive i-call, sicela uphuthumize la. Hey, ave benesidina laba, ave bengicasula, njalo bahlezi befuna usizo lami, njalo bahlezi kuyimina, ababoneni ukuthi mina ngisabhizi ne-washing, ababoneni ngisabhizi nokuthi mina futhi kumele ngidle, mina ngilambile nani futhi ngibuyelethe lapha yana. Abantu bazoba nokuxokozeka kakhulu, baze bacasuke, baze baphakame. Why? Because isikhathi bazosiwaste kakhulu ezintweni ezingenasidingo. Kanti lokho kumele kwenze kubalekile nakho. Lapho ubizwa khona, it's important. Bebengeke bakubizela mahala, you are needed there. So abantu bakaNkulunkulu kuzoba nokuxokoziseka okuningi kakhulu. Ngenxa ukuthi abantu abasebenzisi ngendlela efanelekile isikhathi. Because akuzoba wena wedwa ungesebenzise kahle. Nomunye uzongasebenzisi kahle, nomunye angasebenzisi kahle, nomunye angasebenzisi kahle. Acase umuntu etextini usefonqelene ke manje ngokuthi ulate. Ubani othe akavuke late yena? Ubani othe yena kanze kancane? Ubani othe yena isikhathi sisanje ngoba ecabanga? Ubani othe yena kumele azenzele umathanda? Usedine usecasukele wonke umuntu nathi siyazama siyacela ukuthi adlulisele imali, ucasule ukuthi ulate yena because uyena omosha isikhathi kwaseqaleni. Uyena okuzimoshela ithuba kwaseqaleni, kade enalo ithuba lokuthi alungise yonke into kusande isikhathi, yonke into isa right esangakwazi ukuthi ayilungise, but they didn't do that. And ngongakwenzi kwabo, sonke ke kumele sicasuke njengaye. Sonke ke kumele sixokozele njengaye. Sonke kumele ube ngazuthi sisenkingeni njengaye. Kodwa sibe singekho. Abanye isikhathi sabo basisebenzise kahle, ba-prepare kahle, bavuke early ngesikhathi. Sekuyobangwa ke manje kubangwa isithi etheksini, kuyobangwa manje kubangwa ukuthi isitolo sesiyavala, kubangwa zonke lezi zinto ngokuxokozela because people have not used isikhathi sabo. Because we must understand abantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi isikhathi is a very, very powerful tool. It is a very, very powerful weapon. It is a very, very powerful thing. And it's very, 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 very valuable. See value kakhulu. The reason why ngithi see value, ingoba sifana nomntombi. Nokwabreakwa nje phinde kubuye. Nowadlula loya 1 o'clock phinde ubuye. So umbuzo uthi ufika 1 o'clock wakuficilele. Noma ukufica uwasha wenzela ukuthi mawuqeda ukuwasha uzowasha nezitsha. And another thing uNkulunkulu ayicacisayo njengamanje ukuthi the more isikhathi abantu besebenzisa kabi, the more izinto bezosithatha izinoma kanjani. Mhlawumbe umuntu ethathe bekumele asebenzise amanzi aphinde washintshe because akasenasikhathi. Usebenzisa lamanzi, mhlawumbe lawo amanzi ade geza ngawo, usekorobha ngawo, lamanzi ade washa ngawo izitsha, usewasha ngawo, ade washa ngawo ingubo, usewasha ngawo izitsha because isikhathi sisekho. Izinto sizogcina usuzenza wrongfully because you have no time wena. Because you are so late wena. Because you misused your time. Time management is very important. Let us go to isikole se-time management abantu bakaNkulunkulu ngoba wow. Ngampela siyasihlula isikhathi kusimanage. Ngampela kuyahlula umanage umzuzu. Ngampela kuyahlula ukwenza into ebalekile ngesikhathi esibalekile. Kumele sikwazi thina abantu ukuthi njengoba impilo ezoxokozela, there are going to be more fights emhlabeni. There are going to be more trouble. Kuzoliwa kakhulu emakhaya. Ufikele late. Yabona ke manje ingane emele igezwe ubani? Buka kuphekiwe la ekhaya. Buka ukuthi kuzoxokozela, kuzoqatshwanwa, kuzoliwa. Because abantu abaphekanga kusanesikhathi ngithi kusakhona ugesi. Uhamba ugesi. Ave yaqhamuke leyo mali umathatha ukudla kwakho efridge because ubuye emsebenzini ulambe uyashona. Angithi nina nisale nangapheka la waze wahamba ugesi. Sekuxatshana ke manje ubani odla ukudla kwami, umalume nani uyena othatha ukudla nani because umalume was so hungry coming from work. But nina nihlulekile ukuthi nipheke, uzonibuza umalume kade nihlele imini yonke beningapheki ingane. Thina sibuye emsebenzini thina sitshela ukuthi ukudla ku ready lapha ekhaya but aniphekile. Nirelaxile nje nihleli nibhizi niyadlala niyagegitheka niyehla niyenyuka emhlabeni. Ngenza whatever nisuke niyenza. But bakaNkulunkulu it's very important ukuthi si understand ukuthi isikhathi asikho. And the more singekho, izidingo zisafana kodwa, ama-responsibility asafana kodwa. Konke samele sikwenze ngendlela ekumele sikwenze ngayo. Okay, so as I was trying to say, izwe lakamoya into elizama ukuyenza ukuthi abantu bangalitholi ithuba lokwenza okubalekile okuzoba usizo ezimpilweni zabo. Benzela ukuthi usuku luphele bengenzanga lutho ehlangene noNkulunkulu, kodwa babambezeleke futhi bamosheleke umzuzu wokwenza konke abadinga ukukwenza ngesikhathi esifanele. Singabantu kumele sazi futhi siqonde ukuthi sihlezi si-responsible for something. As I was saying ukuthi in as much as isikhathi sinciphile noma isikhathi singekho nanani, ama-responsibilities asanjalo. Ingane usadinga ukuyigeza, usadinga ukupheka mama, indlu isadinga ukuklinwa, kusadinga ukuwashwa bewashinge, kusadinga ukumuva la ekhaya. Yonke into isadinga ukwenziwa njengoba kade kunjalo. Usadinga ukugeza mfana. Uzothi ngohayi seshonile vele ilanga noma ngangageza nanani. Misusing your time, misusing everything, every tool onalo. And leli tools leli njengoba lihamba liphela, khona la zokuphela khona inguna phakade. Itools leli isikhathi, as I said, it is valuable, very 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 valuable isikhathi. And the more sihamba siphela lapha emhlabeni, siyokhalelwa kakhulu. So singabantu kumele sazi futhi siqonde ukuthi sihlezi responsible for something each and every day, and ama responsibilities, ama chores nakho konke kumele sikwenze akukaze kume just because thina sihlulekile ukumanage kahle isikhathi sethu. You still need to eat, angithi uzodinga ukupheka. You still need to go to town, uzodinga ukuthi ushiye uklinile. Ngeke uzothi hawo sengiyaphuthuma, sengijahile emsebenzini usushisa noma kanjani. That is why abantu i-hygiene ingasabalekanga kubona, because isikhathi abasenaso. Abasenaso isikhathi sokuklina, abasenaso isikhathi sokumuva, abasenaso isikhathi sokwenza izinto ekumele bazenze, because you are out to do this. You need to do this. Ashiye umuntu ingane engayilungiselanga umphako ekseni because uphuthuma emsebenzini, because uhlulekile ukumanage isikhathi. Uqhubeka wavuka ngo-5 kodwa ebona ukuthi isikhathi asekho kanjani lapha emhlabeni. Uqhubekile wavuka ngo-6 azi kahle ukuthi ukhave ibhasi yapha 6. Kanjani? Ufuna ukugeza sephutha bese yarobha. We need to understand people ukuthi ama responsibility asanjalo. Ekugcineni kosuku kumele sazi ukuthi osukwini kumele ugcine udlile, kumele ugcine uphekile, kumele ugcine ugezile, uwashile, uklinile. That is why abantu abaningi uthi uyafika u3 o'clock ntambama, izitsha uhlangana nazo esangweni, iphenti ishiwe kanjalo, even nesikike endlini sisanjalo, because abantu isikhathi sisuke sesibashayile. Because kubalekile ukuthi ukhave lo ya 8 emsebenzini, kubalekile ukuthi usikhave lesi sikhathi somlungu, otherwise uzoxoshwa. So sekudinga ukuthi ukhethe ukudlula umbhede noma ukhethe ukuthi ufike at least ngo-5 to emsebenzini. Akhethe umuntu ukuthi afike ngo-5 to emsebenzini, umbhede usale kanjalo whole day. Ashiye kanjalo ukudla, whether indisho ishiye ngawashile uyishiye kuphi akanendaba, as long as yena ezokwenza lokho athanda ukuthi akwenze. And another thing yazi eyenzakalayo, and I've realized especially kule khathi sesiphila kuzona, indlela isikhathi esilimithe ngayo izinto eziningi. Yazi osukwini umuntu sekwazi ukuthi awashe washing kuphela. Thola ukuthi umuntu useyowasha whole day. Abanye thola ukuthi yawasha bayaxoxa ngapha bayahleba, uyawasha ubuya bebhizi nefoni, omunye thola ukuthi osukwini into azoyenza nje kuphela ukuthi uklinile endlini, ajabulele lokho. Nakhona uklineni kwakhe urobhile, ubephuthumani bephuthuma ukuba busy efonini, bephuthumani bephuthuma ukuba busy nesoka lakhe. At least ke mekhulumelo ya 3 hours nesoka lakhe, yona into ebalekile kuyena, yona into right kuyena. Usuku lakhe lizobe lu right, usuku lakhe lizobe liphuthulile, usuku lakhe lizobe lwanele, usuku lakhe lizobe lu right, luyona lento ayifunayo. It's not supposed to be like that, bantu baNkulunkulu. Akumele ube kanjalo. We need to start njengamanje si-adjust kuzona zonke izinto. What is important? What is less important? Ekumele sikwazi ukuthi ama-routine ethu, our daily routines, they are always important. Ayikho into engabalulekile osukwini, because ibalulekile kuwena ngithi. Kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi uwashe namhlanje. Kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi usiwashe leso sitsha. Kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi ukline. Kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi uyobona umngane wakho. Kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi uhambe uye emsebenzini. It's very important. It is your normal routine each and every day. But because uyabona ukuthi isikhathi sincane ngithi ngoba ngeke usakwazi because ujwayele ukuthi wena before esikoleni ayine kusena ngithi mawusathanda ukuthi uqhubeke uvuke ngaleso sikhathi then ayina ngayizolo then phorisha ngayizolo uzisiza wena by adjusting isikhathi sakho. Uyazi ukuthi uma ubuya esikoleni ujwayele ukuthi uqale ukuthi urelaxele kancane. Yazini ithi ubuya esikoleni ke uqale ngokubhala homework. Uthi ubuya esikoleni uqale ngokuthi upheke. Uqale ngokuthi wenze whatever udinga ukuthi uyenze so that you can have time. It's all about prioritizing everything that is important. Uqale ngayo. Okunye uzogcina ngakho. Siyazi isikhathi sakho sizofika vele. Uzokwenza either way because uyafuna vele ukwenza futhi uyathanda ukuthi ukwenza. Uzokwenza, it's okay, but prioritize what is important at this moment in time. Khona uzosizakala. But the most important thing abantu abangayiqondi kulesikhathi sokugcina, they are busy prioritizing ama-wants kunama-needs. A-prioritize umuntu ukuthi ngijahe ukuthi ngiyoba busy nefoni. Is that a priority? A-prioritize ukuthi ngijahe ukuthi ngiyobuka leya video nani. Is that a priority? Ekubeni uma wakhe ezobuya ngo-5 abuze ukuthi kuphekiwe yini. Ekubeni ubaba wakhe ezobuya akushaye. Ekushayela ukuthi ngithe namhlanje ubuhamba uyeka mama usokhela uhambise le mali. Wena wa prioritize ezinye izinto laze lashona ilanga. Athi uyafika ubaba uthi wema baba. Start with what is important. Adjust your day, adjust your time, manage yonke into. Singazimoshela isikhathi bantu bakaNkulunkulu. Singazimoshela ithuba sinalo sinikeziwe. Because it's just like a second chance. Njengale assignment, the example uNkulunkulu azama ukuyicacisa by the start of this video. Ukuthi it's like a teacher giving you a rewrite to your assignment. But futhi mekunikeza leyo rewrite, angeke akunikeza the whole month. Sekuyiviki kuphela. Uzodinga ukwenza njani ke? Lesi sikhathi kade usimosha uqala uyodlala wena. Qala wenza ukuthi uzongakwenzi konke lokho, but uzofocus la. Because le assignment uyafuna ukuthi iphele la ngithi uyafuna ukuthi uphase. Uyafuna ukuthi leli thuba onikezwe lona ulisebenzise ngendlela efanelekile. Uyafuna futhi ukuthi yonke into ibe right. So sibheke izikhathini lapho khona ukuze uzokwazi ukuba nosuku lapho khona yonke into ofisa ukuyenza igcine yenzekile, because sonke siyathanda ukuthi yonke into iphelelisa ngithi uyathanda ukuthi yonke into oyiplanile ngosuku ugcine uyenzile. Ubufuna ukuthi uvuke uwashe, uyathanda ukuthi ugcine uwashile. Ubufuna ukuthi uvuke ukline, uyathanda ukuthi ugcine kuphelelisiwe konke lokho. So kuzodingeka ama-sacrifice amaningi kakhulu bantu bakaNkulunkulu. Ngibala ukuvuka earlier. Ngibala ukuthi ezinye izinto ungazenzi. Ngibala ukuthi kuningi, there are many sacrifices that you need to do as a person so that uzokwazi ukuthi usizakale at the end of the day. So that uzokwazi ukuthi uyenze into ofuna ukuyenza because uyafuna ukuyenza, uyafuna ukuqeda lo msebenzi, uyafuna ukuyiqeda le assignment. Uzodinga ukuthi ungayikobona abangani bakho. Uzodinga ukuthi ungafaka ama-earphone for long hours. Uzodinga ukuthi ungalala ebusuku, uhlale ufunde, uhlale ube busy nale assignment. Bethi belela abantu, you are busy doing that. So you are sacrificing isikhathi sakho sokulala. You are sacrificing isikhathi sakho sokujabula. You are sacrificing isikhathi sakho sokwenza whatever ubucabanga ukuyenza noma ubuthanda ukuyenza. So sacrifices must be made. One thing esemqoka futhi kakhulu, I always say, because everything and I have an understanding ukuthi yonke into ehlangene nawe ngempilo yakho nangoNkulunkulu, it's always important. Because suwe seligaya ngomunye umhlathi usungasavuki lapha phansi. Hayi bani vuka, hayi buvuka, makavuki. Suwe seligaya ngomunye umhlathi mase kufika lelo thuba naleso sikhathi. So everything ephathelene nawe, it's very important. Ephathelene nempilo yakho, because akuhlekisi mase usufile, akuhlekisi mase usulimele, akuhlekisi. So that is why imiyalezo kaNkulunkulu ibaleke yonke ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngawo wonke umzuzu, because kuphethe impilo yakho. kokuNkulunkulu asitshela kona kubalulekile kithi njalo, cause kukhuluma nathi uqobo, kuyaleza thina ngathi, kusiza thina ey'ntweni ey'ningi, kusiphulukisa kukona konke, kusenze sisondele ekuphileni okuphakade. Lokhu Jesu asibekele kona noma azosibusisa ngakho ngelinye ilanga kuphela uma senza intando kaBaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. So as I was saying ukuthi one thing esemqoka kakhulu and okubalulekile ukuthi if into iphethe impilo yakho then inoNkulunkulu phakathi, because uyena uyobhekana naye ngale kwethuna, uyena uyobhekana naye ngezono zakho, uyena uyobhekana naye ngempilo yakho, uyena uyobhekana naye ukuthi wenzeni usasemzimbeni, wenzeni usasemhlabeni, wenzeni usanethuba, wenzeni usaphunyelwe ilanga, noma ulibukile nje walithamela laze lashona. Indaba enjalo. So one thing esemqoka kakhulu eyenzekayo engiyibona ukuthi people are being led ekuthenini bas-sacrifice okukaNkulunkulu, which is something a bad and worse decision ongabe uyenze ngempilo yakho ngenxa yokwabo. So they sacrifice okukaNkulunkulu because of izinto ezibalulekile kubona. They sacrifice ukwenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu because they need to go and work. They sacrifice ukushumayela because they want to go and get more money. They sacrifice ukukhuleka because balele bona ebusuku ungavuka ngo-12 banda kanje ubusika ngikhuleke. They sacrifice okukaNkulunkulu. And it's very unfortunate abantu baNkulunkulu unga-understand ukuthi the most sacrifice okukaNkulunkulu, it's basically means you are sacrificing yourself. Kusho lokho phela ukuthi uzisacrifice wena because okukaNkulunkulu kuhlangene nawe, kuphethe impilo yakho, kukhuluma nawe ngqo. So if you are going to be sacrificing okukaNkulunkulu, you are sacrificing yourself, mntana kaNkulunkulu. You are sacrificing your life. Let's say you are out to go and pray ndawana thizeni, vele ube neningi washing le, ukhethe ukwasha yona uthi hayi mhlawumbe mangiqeda washing ngizohamba. Hayi ke senze okwaso ke isikhathi, senze umkhuba waso ngoba sijwayele sinjalo phela. Sithi mase siwenze lo mkhuba waso isikhathi urealize ukuthi awema iwashing awuselize lashonela ngeke ngisakwazi ukuya lapha, ngeke ngisakwazi ukuya emthandazweni womama, ngeke ngisakwazi ukuya kulesine, ngeke ngisakwazi ukuya enkonzweni, ngibe newashing eningi. You are sacrificing okukaNkulunkulu ngenxa yewashing. You are sacrificing ukuphetha impilo yakho ngenxa yewashing. Ubungayiwasha usubuye, ubungayiwasha, ubungayivukela ngo-4 uyiwashe uthi ngoba ngiphuthume enkonzweni athi ngishilenga, ngishiye iphepezela kulayini ngizoyithula mangibuya. Ubungayiwasha nangakusasa, ubungayiwasha usubuye ebusuku ukuthi ubuye ngo-10 iwashe ngaleso sikhathi because udinga uwashiwa ngithi izophaphezela ngakusasa. But people bazo-sacrifice ukuthi hayi ngeke phela ngeke ngawasha futhi ngiyavuka nje mina kusasa uniform le. How about ukuthi ukwe-uniform ngoba ibalulekile uyineke, uyisheshise yona, uyisheshise because it's very important. Asiphike izinto zibalulekile kuthina sonke ngendlela ezibaluleke ngayo. But umbuzo uthi the more we keep on sacrificing okukaNkulunkulu, sitshengisa ukuthi akabaluleke kangakanani kithi, sitshengisa ukuthi izimpilo zethu azibaluleke kangakanani, sitshengisa ukuthi ukuphila okuphakade akubaluleke kangakanani, sitshengisa ukuthi ukuphulukisa lokhu uNkulunkulu azama ukuthi asiphulukise ngako akubalulekile kangakanani. And guess what? The more utshengisa lokho, hayi uNkulunkulu into angayenza, uzokuyeka nje, uzokudedela kanjalo. Qhubeke nempilo yakho, qhubeke ngokwenza kwakho, qhubeke umosha isikhathi ngoba uthanda ukusimosha, qhubeke wenze ngendlela obona ngayo. You are the one ozobona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kusasa. This is let me say this is a solution to not sacrificing okukaNkulunkulu ngenxa yokwakho. I-solution uyazi ukuthini ukuthi kumele si-apply siqinise kakhulu njalo isithelo sikamoya esingokuzithiba. Because if ukwazi ukuzithiba ezintweni eziningi ukuthi lokho akubalulekile, lokho angidingi ukwenza, lokho uzokwazi ukuthi ube na more and more time kaNkulunkulu. Because uyazithiba ngithi uzokwazi ukuthi ungaspendi isikhathi ama-hour edrobheni ubhizi ubukana nezinto, uyabuka, uyangena, uyaphuma ey'tolo, wenza i-window shopping engeze yakusiza ngalutho. But ukhumbule ukuthi u-6 kumele ungishaye ekhaya, u-6 kumele ube u-6, u-7 kumele ube u-7. Ukwazi ukuzithiba, ukwazi ukudela izinto eziningi. Because the more udela izinto eziningi, that is the more you will have more time, especially for God. That is the more you have more time, especially for your life, especially for meditating, especially for helping yourself. Ngoba uyasidinga leso sikhathi, sibalulekile. I promise you sisemqoka kakhulu. So uma singabantu sisanesikhathi sokulala, usanesikhathi sokudlala, ulale kuze kushaya u-2 usadlala, awukakaboni ukuthi kwenzakala la emhlabeni. Ulala kuze kushaya intambama usadlala, awukakaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani, usawumntwana. Because wonke lama-hour owamoshayo uma esedlulile, they will never and ever come back. And kumele siqonde kakhulu ukuthi uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba akudinga kithi ukuthi sihlakaniphe bantu bakaNkulunkulu. He wants us to be smart. That is why hleze siyala ukuthi ngesabeni nginike uduma, because uyazi ukuthi uma umesaba uzokugixabeza ngokuhlakanipha, uzokugixabeza ngokonke okudingayo, uzokugixabeza ukuthi uhlakaniphele imali yakho, uhlakaniphele isikhathi sakho, uhlakaniphele izinto zakho, uhlakaniphele umuzi wakho, uhlakaniphele abantwana bakho, uhlakaniphele umsebenzi, uzokuhlakaniphela konke. If umesaba kuphela uJehova odalile izulu nomhlaba. Sigcine futhi yonke imiyalelo yakhe, because ngokuyigcina kwakho yonke imiyalelo kaNkulunkulu, that is when you get closer and closer to the Lord ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngokubani? Ngokuyigcina kwakho the more uba ngcwele. Ngoba isono singena ngani? Ngokweqa umthetho. Ukweqa umthetho inkokhelo yakho ukufa. But if ungaweqa umthetho, then awunasono. And uma ungenasono unjani? Ungcwele. So udinga ukuthi sihlakaniphe, sigcine imiyalelo yakhe, sikhaliphe, simhloniphe, simthobele, ukuze izohleze sisiza ezintweni zonke, ngokuba I repeat, ngokuba asilutho ngaphandle kwakhe. Ngiyaphinda futhi, asilutho ngaphandle kwakhe. So udinga ekakhulukazi ukuthi simvumele ubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini kuphela adlale indima yakhe, umoya weqiniso. Because umoya weqiniso uhlezi njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi uzosiza thina. Uhlezi njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi uzosiyala, uzosixwayisa, uzosiqwashisa ezintweni zonke. So sodinga ukuthi udlale indima yawo ukuze icebo laNkulunkulu lingeze lavimbezeleka nangelilodwa ilanga, nangowodwa umzuzu. So okuzoba lukhuni kakhulu ukuthi njengoba siphile ekhathini lapho khona abantu bengabayithanda bona, abantu bengabathanda imali, bengabayigabisayo, they okay about themselves. That is when kuzoba nzima ke. This is the challenge. Ila kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi basondele kukaNkulunkulu, because the most thanda wena, your focus izoba entweni zakho, angithi your focus izoba entweni ezosiza wena. Your focus izoba ekuthenini, what about me? What about my life? What about what I want to do for myself? What about this? What about that? And the more kukanjalo uzithanda wena, uzigabisa wena, wenza ukuthanda uwe ngaso sonke isikhathi, then you will never have time for God. Because uzoba nesikhathi sokuthi kumele ngiye esaluni mina, hlangana lapho nasenkonzweni, kumele ngiyopenda inzipho, hlangana lapho nomfundisi, kumele ngiyokwenza 1 no 2 no 3, you know, things like that. So kusobala ukuthi okaNkulunkulu it's either kuzoza kangcino noma kuzoshawa indiva nje totally and 100%. Okuyinkinga kakhulu ke nokho, ngoba ngalesi sikhathi yilapho simdinga khona kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Umdinga kakhulu more than you can ever imagine. You know, this time umdinga ngempela uJehova ngomoya wakhe ukuba asisize abe nathi kunanoma iziphi izimpi esingabhekana nazo njengamanje, ngoba konke kuncike kithi ukuthi siyasithenga yini isikhathi noma siyathengisa ngaso isikhathi uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba asethe wasabela sona. And futhi sithembisa kanjalo sidayisa ngaso mahala. sidayisa ngazo ngathi. Because udayisa ngazo mahhala, ekugcineni kuzogcina kukhokhe wena ngokusikhalela. Uzogcina kukhokhe wena ngokukhalela ukuthi awulifundanga iBhayibheli. Uzogcina kukhokhe wena ngokukhalela ukuthi awuyanga enkonzweni. Uzogcina kukhokhe wena ngokukhalela ukuthi awuzilanga bese zikushaya zikunetha. Wena uzokhokha at the end of the day. Wena uzokhokha ngomphefumulo wakho. Ekuthenini ubungazani noJehova usaphila lapha emhlabeni. Lapho umphefumulo wakho khona usukhala usububula ngale kwethuni esihogweni. Wena uzokhokha, uzosikhokhela leso sikhathi. Uzokhokhela lo mzuzu ngoba udayisile ngawo. Sonke ilanga lesiphumela lishonele. But the question is, njoba liphuma lize lishona, wenzeni ngo 8 o'clock ekuseni? Busalele usabanje ibhabhalazi la izolo. Wenzeni ngo 10 o'clock? Ubusabamba uyeka ungazi ukuthi kumele wenzeni? Wenzeni ngo 12 o'clock? Did you pray? You will cry for that time ukuthi kube ngabe sesingasekho kodwa leso sikhathi. So asiqapheleni bantu bakaNkulunkulu ukuthi senzane ngesikhathi nangomzuzu uNkulunkulu asibusise ngawo. Because ilanga as I was saying lisiphumela sonke. Kuyimsebenzi yethu neresponsibility yethu ukuxegisa lapho singaxegisa khona, ukuqinisa lapho singaqinisa khona, okubiza ukwazi ukuqonda phakathi kubalekile kanye nokungabalekile. And uma singakakwazi lokho sizohlezi sisenkingeni, sizohlezi sixokozela, sizohlezi sikhala, usikhalele leso sikhathi, ukhalele lo mzuzu, ukhalele lo hora. Because udlulile. Because thina abantu silibele izinto ezingasho lutho mani, ezingenasidingo. Bese siyakhala egcineni. So if these last days usahlalela iTV wena whole day ubukana namabhayisikobho lawo, bioscope after bioscope lezi zinto eziphindayo futhi, usahlalela ifoni yakho ubukana nabantu ababhizi bengazi ukuthi bafunani ngeimpilo zabo ku TikTok ko YouTube. Usahlalela ukwenza zonke lezo zinto, usahlalela ukuye endaweni zobumnandi besikhashana, usahlalela ukudlala. You playing games efonini, you know, Candy Crush or whatever. Isona sikhathi osahlalele leso lapha emhlabeni, you are in trouble. Usahlalela ukugijima ezindaweni zobumnandi, you are in trouble. Usahlalela umosha isikhathi ngendlela ongasimosha ngayo. Ungaboni ukuthi noma sisincane sisingaka kodwa isikhathi sokwazana noJesu lesibantwana kaNkulunkulu. Into ekumele siyaziqonde kakhulu isikhathi sokwazana noJesu lesi. Asikhona sokudlala. Isikhathi sokuthi ulifunda iBhayibheli bungalaza ngithi. Ubungazi ukuthi incwadi yabaseGalatia 5 ikhuluma ngazo zonke izinto. uNkulunkulu ayinyanya athi abenze izinto ezinje abasoze bangena embusweni wezulu. Ubungakwazi lokho. Kuningi osadinga ukwazi. Kuningi osadinga ukuqonda. Kuningi osadinga ukuqaphela. Kuningi osadinga ukuthi ukulungise ngempilo yakho. Awukakazi ukuthi uma ulale ungagezanga uyazingcolisa nangakusasa uyangcolisa, ulale nama periods kanjalo wangageza, you are so dirty. Awukakazi, awukakaqondi. Usadinga ukunderstand zonke lezi zinto. Usadinga ukuqonda konke kaNkulunkulu because kuzozama ukusiza wena, kuzozama ukuphulukisa wena at the end of the day. Awukaka understand, awukakaqondi. Awukakazi. Usadinga ukwenza izinto eziningi. So usafuna ukusimosha kwe-TV isikhathi namanje. Usafuna ukusimosha ifonini namanje. Usafuna ukusimosha uhlelo nomakhelwane nihleba whole day lishone manje ilanga. Lishone nisahleli libele nitrace ilanga, nihlale la, osele la niyamuva nihlala la, osele la niyamuva nihlala la. Namanje. Usafuna ukuphila leyo mpilo leyo. Usafuna ukuqhubeka wenze lokho. Usafuna ukuthi njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlezi ukhala. Hawe ma ngiphekile. Hawe ma ukuthi. Hawo ngenzela ukuthi kuze kusafarishe ingane. Emakhaya kuze kusafarishe ingane ngenxa ukuthi umama uhlale kamakhelwane ozokhohle ukuthi kumele uthenge isinkwa. Zisafarishe ingane ayisenaso isinkwa ezosidla ekseni because sekuzokwavala phela esitolo. Uzonze njani ngizongqongqozela ngenkani awuvulani bani zawo isikhathi sami sesidinga isinkwa. Yazenze njani? Vele uxova uflower uzenzele straight. Ayikho lento. Xova uflower nje uwenze nje iqatha lingapi or amaqebelengwane or whatsoever ongayenza. Because uhlulekile ukuphusha isikhathi ngendlela efanelekile. Ukuhlakanipha sebuncuziwe kakhulu kubantu lezi khathi zokugcina. Sebususiwe kakhulu kubantu ukuhlakanipha ukwenza izinto ezibalekile ngesikhathi esifanele. So as I was saying, Isikhathi sokwazana noJesu lesi. Isikhathi sokusindiswa. Isikhathi sokudeda ebubini. Isikhathi sokushiya isono lesi. Isikhathi sokushiya bonke ubumnyama. Isikhathi sokubuyisana noNkulunkulu. Isikhathi sokuzila abantu bakaNkulunkulu bangcwele. Isikhathi sokuthi senze intando kaNkulunkulu. Isikhathi sokuthi ucele umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi uhlale kithi. Isikhathi sokuthi unxuse uNkulunkulu ukuthi abe nathi ezintweni zonke. Ezawasenga isikhathi sokuzila kakhulu. Isikhathi sokunxusa ngokukhuleka. Aso isikhathi sokulala sokurelaxa. Esokunxusa ngampela ngokukhuleka ngampela. Isikhathi sokuhlengwa sokubhabhadiswa. Hello, uzothi ubusika kuyabanda ngeke uzuye emanzini. What about I tell you ukuthi usalelo 2 weeks iki? Lapho ubusika kusasalelo July no August, wena usalelo 2 weeks. Uzothini? Isikhathi sokwenza okuningi okuzoba usizo kukuphulukisa emphefumulweni wakho. But if usakulo mqondo ukwenza izinto zasezweni, then awukakhuli. Futhi uzozithola usenkingeni yokuphelelwa ithuba kade unalo futhi ubusisilwe ngalo. Time is a blessing. That's what the Lord said by the end. Umyalezo. Time is a blessing. Isikhathi siyisibusiso esikhulu bantu bakaNkulunkulu. Esingabusiselana nombani. Sibaningi isigijima phezu kwabo njengamanje. Bebefisa ukulibona lelo suku. Bebefisa ukusibona lesikhathi. Bebefisa ukubona lo mzuzu. Bebefisa ukuphila nabo namhlanje. Bebefisa ukuphulukisa nabo namhlanje. But it didn't happen. Akwenzakalanga. Ifiso zabo zivele nje zashabalala kanjalo. But it's still a blessing to you. Nanoma sesincane kangakanani. But it's a blessing ukuthi usebenzise usefully. It is a blessing ukuthi usebenzise kahle. Uzisize wena. Plan everything accordingly. And then kuma plan onke wenze sure ukuthi adjust konke ufanelekile. Khuluma ngezinto ezibalekile malala. It's important ukuthi ukubalekile hlezi njalo. Kuzaqala. Ikuphi lokho kubalekile? Phefumulo wakho. Phefumulo wakho umuntu, umphefumulo wakho. Ubalekile ukudlula yonke into. Umphefumulo wakho ubalekile ukudlula yonke into. Ukuthi uziphulukise ngokwazana noJesu, ukuthi uzisize ngokubuyisana naye, ukuthi uzihlenge ngokwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Umphefumulo wakho very 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 important. Usemqoka ezintweni zonke. So that's the question I want to raise. Usebenzisa kanjani isikhathi onikezwe sona? Usebenzisa kanjani lo mzuzu uNkulunkulu asasibusise ngawo? Are you usefully using it? Are you managing your time wisely? Are you managing your time ngendlela efanelekile ezoba usizo kwena? Noma saqhubeka nempilo njengakudala, saqhubeka nempilo njengayizolo. Awu adjust, awulungisi. Awenza izinto earlier, prior, helpfully. Kodwa konke kuwena, konke kulele ezandleni zakho. Ngoba indaba ingawe. So asibuyeleni kuJehova, sazi ukuthi isikhathi asisekho abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Kudele konke ongakwazi ukuthi ukudele. If kubiza ukuthi osukwini ungazenzi izinto obujwayele ukuthi uzenze, then akube njalo. If kubiza ukuthi usukwini uvuke earlier, then akube njalo. If kubiza ukuthi usukwini uzisize ngezinto eziningi, akube njalo. If kubiza ukuthi ungalali ebusuku, akube njalo. Singabisa waste isikhathi ngoba sisimoshela thina. And thina soba senkingeni, and thina sosikhalela mase sesidlulile. Sincane yes, but ngoba sikhona asisebenziseni. Ngoba sisanikiwe asisize sisebenzise ngendlela efanelekile ukuze singakhali. Kuhluka abantu ade bengazi, kuhluka abantu abade bengaqondi, kuhluka abantu abangazi ukuthi kumele bazisize kanjani. But asisebenzise ngendlela efanelekile. Ngoba siyaphela, siyancipha. And the most ncipha sisondeza wena ekufeni. The most ncipha sisondeza wena kwi-judgment ukuthi ubelonga ngala noma ngala. ubelonge ekufeni okuphakade, ekubhujisweni esihogweni, noma ubelonge ekuphileni okuphakade, ekuphileni enkazimulweni kaNkulunkulu kulo mbuso wezulu osusondele. Sanje uNkulunkulu ave nani, anibusise, anisize, asiphe amandla sonke ukuthi isikhathi sisebenzise kahle, asiphe amandla sonke ukuthi isikhathi sisimeneje kahle. Konke kumele sikwenze sikwenze, konke kumele sikuphuthule ngoba sithanda kube njalo. So inkosi nje benani, ngiyaleza uNkulunkulu athi ethanda ukuthi sibe nawo, ukuthi asizisize thina sisebenzise wisely lesi sikhathi esincane kangaka, esishwankathelo kangaka, sisihlakaniphele, sisimeneje kahle ukuze singasikhaleli kusasa. So ezinye inkundla zokuxhumana nje, TikTok, kubo Facebook, kubo Instagram, singakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, uNkulunkulu uyabuthanda ubungcwele. Inkosi nje benani, ngibusise kakhulu, lihle ithemba lo. Amen.